Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe video update today. And Pepe is falling down, and that's exactly what I left you with in the last time that I talked about Pepe on my updates. So as far as I'm concerned, you do have a move to the downside. You made this sideways movement, which is almost like a bearish rectangle. You broke below the bearish rectangle, and ever since you've just moved down. And I've given you this technical target right over there when we were moving in this area and in that zone. So if so far you have seen Pepe like this is actually 7.53%. Actually, the title of the video that I made the last time was 22% opportunity. So right now, if anyone took it, you are still 7.53%. Congratulations. Now, the technical target still remains down here, but one food of thought is that, you know, ever since you break here, when you broke here, you haven't really back tested it. So there could be chances where people have the stop loss here, and you look at Pepe moving up like that and taking that stop loss as well. Can be expected. It's not a guarantee though, because sometimes Pepe doesn't even retest. If I show you like back on time here, I might have seen somewhere where Pepe didn't actually retest, and it just broke to the downside. Yes, this was where. So you had this sideways movement right there, like you moved down, you went sideways. I also gave you this prediction in the past as well. But what you did is you broke down very forcefully, but you never broke this thing in a way that you backtest and drop down. You just dropped down and you kept on going down. You never retested. So very similar situation right now is that you break down and just go to the technical target without retesting anything. So that's why I say there are no guarantees of a retest because of how the past was looking like. So you always have to go to the past. I think the past is one of your best teachers, isn't it? Now, if you're new to the channel though, do follow me. You may never see this channel again, and keep an eye on the updates because I do regular updates on Pepe. And what else can we say about this coin at the moment? The RSI. Okay, so the RSI, I may say that Pepe is targeting to come down once again and touch this oversold level right over there. So you can see oversold level number 1, oversold level number 2, number 3, and you do have a little bit of that gap, and this is on the 4-hour time frame, by the way. And just come down, touch this line, move up, come down, meet this technical target, and you probably can start buying again right over here and get a little bit of a profit. So the worst case scenario is the following. I have told you this before, and I'm going to tell you this again. You do not have any support right over here. This is an empty space, okay? And you do have the chances that even if Pepe comes down to 5400, you may come down here right over there, and this is like 3000 level, okay? We're talking about 3000, which is almost 50 to 52% from the current prices. So be careful. That's also not a guarantee. When we do come down here, you have support on the RSI just as I showed you. But be careful. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.